Most people avoid asking for a raise because they fear rejection or feel nervous. But having a clear, confident script can make the conversation much easier. One simple way to prepare is by generating a script with ChatGPT. I'll show you how I do it. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. Write a confident but polite script for asking my boss for a raise. You can pause the video and copy this prompt, then run it yourself and paste the output into Google Docs or Notes, whichever you prefer. This gives you a personalized script to practice so you feel calm and confident when speaking with your boss. This step works right away, but long term confidence comes from integrating it into how you communicate every day. That's what the Confidence Challenge teaches: how to own your value and speak with clarity so opportunities come easier. Plus, you also get email or ad templates to launch with, and online marketing sales funnel templates, helping you take your new confidence into real world results. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start asking for what you deserve, confidently and without fear.